Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to give dimensions in your AutoCAD drawings or in a working drawing or anything like that. So we will start with the main dimension first. That is always the bigger dimension, which is an end-to-end dimensions, which is starts from here to here. And as you can see right now, our dimension size and style is very small and wrong. So how we will change the dimension style is go writing just properties down here, and we'll select our things that we want. In architecture drawings, you should always use architecture tick right over here. Arrow size 2 inches will be good enough for any drawing. If you have bigger drawings, then just do it bigger as you want it, but this is, I think, this just okay. So for this extension line, you should always have it in dotted lines. It's look very professional. And extension line is done. The text height is right now very small. We'll just do it as 6 inches. It's amazing. It's okay. And it should be center, it should be above the line always. If you are doing an architecture working drawing, it is very important for that. And then we'll have to change the decimal to architecture, and we'll also change our precision to 0. It's 0. Okay, so this is perfect now. And precision has been changed to 0, so the dimension, we'll have to keep it where did it go? We lost it. Where did my architecture unit go? Okay, yeah, here it is. You have to change this to architecture. That's it, and your dimension is just up, right, and ready. So now we'll learn how to give dimension in working drawing. Is first we had given this bigger dimension, then we'll give our center line to center line dimension. By if you do this first and then again do this, then you're doing it completely wrong. Just do it with right dimension here, dim, enter, and just select continue right over here, and you can just continue your dimension wherever you want. So, and as though you don't see the dimensions, just match the properties right over here, and you can see the next that we will the dimension that we will give is of walls right over here, and then of the windows, which is coming right over here. So this is how it we will show our dimensions to be. All openings, doors, and columns, that everything will coming right over here. So yes, this is how it we give architecture dimensions very and very nicely to look it very professional. You can also change, edit however you want, whatever you want. You want to delete it, you can delete it. You can change whatever you want in this. You can even change their colors and their line weights, everything. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching. And as always, share it with your architecture friend who needs it.